Did you know that Foshi Residential manages several loft-style communities right here in downtown Montgomery? Today, we're going to give you an inside look at what loft-style living could look like for you. If you love exposed brick walls, oversized windows, historical charm, and shops and restaurants located right outside your doorstep, you're going to love these lofts. Let's go take a look.
Are you ready to make the move to loft-style living? Visit our website to learn more or check out our channel to see a full virtual tour video for each of these communities.